The most powerful weapons to date are nuclear weapons. However, consider the scenario where we encounter extraterrestrial life.
With artificially intelligent.
As we broadcast the coordinates of Earth into space, we essentially extend an invitation to visit our planet. What if these civilizations are technologically superior or harbor intentions of dominance? Earth possesses unique elements not found in the observable universe, prompting us to question our ability to protect us. In the face of potential threats, the necessity arises for a formidable weapon,
Iron Man pants.
something capable of safeguarding or, if needed, be destroyed. One intriguing concept that emerges as a potential savior is antimatter. For those who are unfamiliar, antimatter is akin to the anti-magic concept in Black Clover. It consists of particles with opposite charges to regular matter. When these oppositely charged particles come into contact, they annihilate each other, producing the purest form of energy.
Data board, no wait, bubblegum, bubblegum.
The idea of antimatter weapons is not new. Edward Teller, often referred to as the father of the American H-bomb, explored military applications of antimatter as early as 1947 in collaboration with Enrico Fermi. Yeah.
Why did you take our job?
The first reference to antimatter weapons appeared in the inaugural volume of the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist in February 1946. It discussed the potential capture of negative particles heavier than electrons by matter. An article titled Russia and the Atomic Bomb highlighted the Soviet Plus' tendency towards sensational presentation, including the possible discovery of antiprotons in cosmic rays. However, producing antimatter remains an exceptional challenging task. Proton needs to be accelerated close to the speed of light and projected at a target, resulting in a violent collision that transforms part of the energy into particle-antiparticle pair. The first accelerator capable of creating antiparticles was built in 1955 at Berkeley, marking a significant milestone. Presently, antimatter is produced using large particle colliders, but the most challenging aspect is storing it. Any contact with regular matter would lead annihilation, releasing the stored energy. Please don't go near it. And another theory suggests that during the formation of our universe, the antimatter and matter particles were both created but got separated during the Big Bang. The universe that we live in are made up of matter particles, and maybe there may be another universe that consists of antimatter where the exact copy of you, the opposite of you, can exist. If you get any chance to meet your copy, that is, he may be made up of antimatter, you can bring him to our universe. Cause if he comes to our universe, you have to contain him in a special chamber where you make sure that he is not in contact with any of the ordinary matter. Because if he touches or come in contact with any of our matter, he will be annihilated and he will disappear. If an antimatter weapon were to be created, it would comprise essential components such as the antimatter generator, responsible for producing and harvesting antimatter, the containment chamber equipped with powerful magnetic fields would suspend antimatter particles in a controlled state, the quantum trigger mechanism, a precise machine, would enable the controlled release of antimatter for annihilation. Though this method, the envisioned outcome is the ability to unleash powerful beams, remnants of those often depicted in science fiction, whether mounted or concealed within orbiting crafts like international space stations. Such a weapon would represent a groundbreaking and unconventional form of defense. The prospect of harnessing the potential energy of antimatter introduced a new dimension to our consideration of protecting Earth for potential extraterrestrial threats.